This is Namatul Jannat. I'm fine. This is my third video for this day, and I want to tell something about product and write something in our personal profile about our product of a business. So we can make people known about our product by many way, by many kind of way. So many people like to write write very short way, in very short way, and some people like to write about their product with very beautiful way and smartly. It's like suppose I like to suppose this is not in real. I am just getting an imagination example. So suppose I am writing in a short way, like this is the importance of my product. Those are the benefits of my product, and if you want to purchase my product, then you can inbox. Okay, you are giving the picture and you are posting that, and you like to write about your product with smartly, as like you are starting that post with very with good story, or you are not writing with robotic way. You are using very easy word in your post. You are not writing that if you are interested about my product, then inbox me or write comment and etc. So you are writing with good story, and we can make good story when we are giving important information about your product. Then this it means you are smart. You are maintaining smartly about your smartly, that you are writing with storytelling, and also you are giving important information to your customer or future customer. So shortcut way never can be a good way. Shortcut way is the best way, and in the past I didn't know the importance of shortcut way. From the day I started to follow the guideline of Sir Rajiv Ahmed Sir, I was realizing that yes, shortcut way is the best way. Before I was writing with shortcut way about my product, like those are the benefits of my product, and if you are interested about my product, then you can inbox. Only that kind of line I used in my personal profile, and I was dependent about other groups for my selling. But at present I am not dependent any other group for my sale product and business. Now I am fully dependent, alhamdulillah, fully dependent in my personal profile. I learned this way from Sir, and yes, this way helps me to make myself a freedom and self-dependent. Self-dependent is very good characterism, because we are entrepreneur. So as an entrepreneur, we are not dependent to anyone. So if we are dependent, then we have to be dependent in other we should be self-dependent. So I am one of them. I mean I am also self-dependent. I like to depend only dependent on the profile of myself. Now I try. After finished 10-minute writing post practice, I'm becoming good and better for when I try to write very beautifully and perfectly with storytelling in my personal profile about my product. And yes, it's working, really it's working. And it means not that if we write in our personal profile about a product, it means not that sale will come very fast. It means that many people are knowing about my product. Many people are knowing about my about speciality of my product. Many people are knowing about my about the speciality of my product, and speciality of my product from the post I am writing with storytelling. Storytelling is very important, and yes, we have to be learn that how to other people attract in my post. Yes, self posts are really boring. I also feel that when I see the post of the people who are writing with very short way, as like, if you are interested then please inbox, if you are interested then please comment, or etc etc. This is really boring, and all the time I avoid those posts and I scroll up, and I never get attract to that kind of products. When seller write with storytelling, when seller write with some details, a few details, I just open the photo of the products, and I feel interest to read every line of the post. So storytelling is important. If you are yes, content is important. If we are entrepreneur, if we are businessman, if we are e-commerce entrepreneur, e-commerce businessman, businesswoman, we have to learn how to write content about our product. So content writing is important. It's not very difficult, or it's not so easy. We have to practice. My opinion is Digital Skills for Bangladesh is the best group for me, maybe for you, if you believe that. At first you have to believe that this group is best. If you don't believe that this group is not for them, keep trust is important for any step. Study in Digital Skills for Bangladesh group. Study is the most important thing. Study is everything in this group. In this group, this is not selling group. This is learning and knowing group. So we can learn, we can know about anything. We can develop our basic skill. It's not only about Bangla language. We can increase our basic skill is in also English language by reading syllabus, by following reading syllabus, which is under Alpha model theory. So reading syllabus help me to make confidence. in myself. And yes, this is the best group. This is my opinion. Maybe this is your opinion. This is the best group for e-learning. And okay, thank you so much. I won't take more time. Every people has their valuable has valuable value to their time. So thank you so much. Good night.